This video is for PropertyBoss users that also use Paylease to accept e-payments within PropertyBoss.
The 10.03 release allows you to have granular control of who sees and pays the service fees. As part of the upgrade process, we have migrated some of your current settings, but you will need to verify and make adjustments where necessary. So let's go to Setup Preferences and then e-payments. These are the settings that will apply to all e-payment accounts. We'll come back to these settings in a moment. Double-click the account name or select the account name and click Change Account. At least one of these should already say Paylease. Click Setup next to the Paylease selection. Your Paylease user info and IDs should already be populated, and therefore you shouldn't have to make any changes here. However, after the upgrade, we recommend clicking on View Values and following the steps to view them and verify them for accuracy.
If you are on the recommended method, you will no longer see service fee transactions within PropertyBoss. This is because Paylease will handle all service fees on their end.
You can select this checkbox to override the recommended method. This will enable you to charge a different service fee than what Paylease bills you for processing the transaction. However, this will cause service fee charges to occur in PropertyBoss and show on the payee's register. Review these web portal settings and how you want to handle credit card payments on deposits. Make any necessary adjustments. 10.03 allows you to set different fee schedules for the various electronic transactions. We see here that recurring tenant payments are set to use Schedule 1. Let's click on Setup next to Schedule 1 to see how it is currently being defined. After upgrading to 10.03, it is very important for you to verify the appropriate draft types are selected and whether or not you want to absorb the service fee. If you are using the recommended method for handling service fees, you will be unable to edit these service fees. It is display only because they are being managed by Paylease. If you chose to override the recommended method, this is where you will set your service fees. If at any time you want to view the Paylease fee structure, you can hover over this text and it will display. Or if you choose to absorb the service fee, you will see they are removed for that draft type. 10.03 also allows you to create or edit your portal service fee message or the portal authorization message. The portal service fee message displays to the payer on the web payment portal. The portal authorization message is appended to the bottom of the standard authorization message. Once you have completed defining this fee schedule, click OK. If you would like to create a different fee schedule for your other electronic transactions, just select a different schedule and click Setup to define. After all fee schedules have been defined and reviewed for accuracy, you must check Verified for each of your electronic transactions.
This is an important step since electronic payments cannot be accepted until all are verified.
Once this e-payment account has been set up, click OK to save your changes. If you have multiple e-payment accounts, you will need to repeat these steps for each account. Click OK to save all changes. Now that you have set up each of your e-payment accounts, let's go back and look at the settings that will apply to all of your e-payment accounts. If you are using the recommended method for handling service fees, this section is not relevant to you because there will be no service fee transactions in your registers. If you chose to override the recommended method, you will need to select the transaction to be used for the service fees for your prospects, tenants, or owners. If you use portals to accept payments, you must choose the transaction to be used for your prospects, tenants, or owners. These settings have not changed, but now may be a good time to review them.
Click OK when you're done and you're now ready to accept e-payments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to visit our YouTube channel for other helpful videos.